How does data on the distribution of fossils and rocks, continental shapes, and seafloor structures provide the evidence of past plate motions? Data on the distribution of fossils in rocks, continental shapes, and seafloor structures provide evidence of past plate motions. Seafloor spreading is when magma pushes up on the seafloor at the divergent plate boundaries. The magma pushes the plates apart, causing seafloor spreading. So, mid-ocean ridges. Seafloor spreading likes to happen around these. So, mid-ocean ridges are basically underwater mountains that also created some tall and narrow underwater cliffs. The tops of the mountains are where the magma pushes out from. The taller the ridge is, the slower the ridge spreads. The shorter the ridge, the faster it spreads. Geomagnetic reversals exist. So these come into play with mid-ocean ridges too. The new rock that's created by mid-ocean ridges is basalt, and that's pretty magnetic. The scientists who be studying this stuff started using magnetometers to see how the magnetic fields are. Mid-ocean ridges have symmetrical magnetic stripes on both sides of it. The stripes will keep happening as long as the seafloor keeps spreading. Geographic features also factor into this somewhere. As the ocean crust moves away from the ridges that it was created from, it gets pretty involved with the tectonics of the crust underneath continents. Occasionally, they run into each other at active plate margins. Those are usually where earthquakes and volcanoes happen. Seafloor spreading is definitely a thing that happens with moving stuff around and creating stuff. Honestly, if seafloor spreading didn't exist, then how would mid-ocean ridges and the things created by it be here? They wouldn't. The seafloor would be flat without it.